Hi, this is Minesh Patel with blackbar.com. Today is July 26, 2025. We had a record-breaking number of trades for this week. That's very unusual for July, especially towards the end of July, because you typically have a low volume, a lot of people on vacation, stuff like that. Also, it's at the end of the month, but we did have option expiry. If you look at the total results here, we had 41 winners. We had 7 break even and 1 loss. If you look at the trending scenarios, we had 28 winners, 4 break even. For the consolidation, we had 13 winners, 3 break even, and 1 loss. Typically, you average around 19 to 20 winners on a weekly basis, but this week we had an extremely good number of them. There was a lot to choose for. We knew the markets were going to move because we had a big list going into the week. So we knew that there was going to be great opportunities there. The other thing is that we had some of the index futures also in that list too, which told us that the markets had a high probability going up. So let's go for the results here. This is the Dow futures here, and you could see here that's a winning trade. There's Nike, that's a winning trade. MLL winning, FSLR, Goldman Sachs. This is TMO, MCO, JP Morgan. Notice there's a couple of them in the financial. So a lot of the financial stocks really took off. NTRS, ILMN, MAS, CBPB, MHK, CHRW. This is the big one that also seasonality wise, Apple has a high probability to go up for July too. So this was a great one here to go up. There's SWK, there's LEG. Scrolling down here, there's NASDAQ, NDAQ, DHI, STT, SPGI, VMC, APD, PHM, RRC, ADM. Remember that was very few bearish trades. So RRC was the first bearish trade we've encountered so far. This is another one. This is a currency here, CAD Switzy, US Mexican here. You had that going bearish. This one did nothing. It did break out, but didn't fit our rules. Then you had a couple of break-even trades here. This is a currency. Australian Switzerland was break-even. COF was break-even. Key was break-even. And DOV was break-even. Okay, so those were the break-even trades. So that's the trending side. The consolidation pattern breakouts, we had WM, ADI. This is one to definitely look at. That was bearish. Let's see if that follows through next week. Honeywell here, AZO. So we had a couple bearish trades on the consolidation side. Target here broke out. Macy's broke out. WFC broke out. DVA broke out. STZ broke out. EW broke out. PHW broke out. And NOV broke out. Then we had WMB was break even. This is break even. This is break even. And then CME was a minor loss here. You can see you entered here and then closed there, so that was a minor loss. So if you go back to the overall results here, you had really good results. Total of 41 winners, 7 break even, and 1 loss. Now the key will be to see if a lot of these will follow through this week, where they bring in more money by closing up either higher than what they did this week or lower than this week. If they do, then pretty much at that point, at the end of the week, we'll go to break even on all those trades. If you have any questions, please ask. Please like and share this video too. Let's see what happens next week.